Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Moneyway TV. My name is Chidozen Zeka, your regular host. In today's video, I will be showing you a powerful secret most people overlook: how to turn cheap palm kernel oil sludge, usually considered waste, into a gold mine by producing high quality laundry soap. With just 100,000 naira, you can transform this so-called waste into products that can bring in as much as 500,000 naira profit. You will see where sludge comes from, how to process and bleach it for a brighter, more attractive soap, and the simple step-by-step method to produce market-ready bars. I will also touch on suppliers in Nigeria where you can get activated bleaching clay, bentonite, fuller's earth kaolin if you want your soap to stand out with a clean finishing. This is a must watch if you are serious about soap production, small scale manufacturing, or just looking for a smart side hustle. If you'd love a structured training on soap making, bleaching, sludge oil, or other profitable formulations, feel free to reach out to me directly for enrollment and mentorship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Thank you. Sludge oil looks like. This particular sludge oil is from stearin production. It is not the same thing like the one that is from palm kernel oil production. So we have different source of sludge depending on the parent product that is being refined. Soya bean oil sludge is different from palm kernel sludge. Palm oil sludge is different from stearin sludge, but all of them can be put to use depending on how experienced you are. So in this case, I'm using sludge, and I wouldn't want to be bleaching it. I want to use it directly because I'm producing a kind of black medicated soap. So the aesthetic value, the appearance doesn't matter much to me because it will be wrapped at the end of the day. But if you are producing laundry soap, you will need to bleach the oil. As you can see, I have first of all heated up the oil so that it will be in a melted liquid form. So I am trying to remove it from the drum before I will now boil my hot water that I will use to dissolve soda ash, calcium. So this is the empty cup. I'm pouring water which I will use. Everything in this process is hot method. If you undergo the training with me, it will be better for you to understand. Remember that most of these videos have been edited. So I'm mixing my caustic soda now, getting it prepared. These are calcium. This is soda ash water, which I'll be adding calcium into also. The required measurement is given to my students. These are the people that came for training. But I'm doing this video for visual purpose. You can, if you know, you can use your brain and know what stage is passed. This one now, I have just added my caustic soda, which is the first thing into the oil. So you can see it tracing. This video has been edited. I cannot tell you everything because of time. No actual production. I'm adding my soda ash and calcium solution into the mixture. There is no production process that doesn't take up to 2 to 3 hours. But here the video is almost 7 to 8 minutes. So you don't expect to get everything unless you come for training. Then you will have the time and I will have the time to explain to you further. But all I'm letting you to know that it is possible to use sludge for production. Can you see? I've gotten the soap. So we are going to be pouring it into the mold. And you know that sludge is very, very cheap compared to PKO. Please comment in the comment section how much is selling PKO in your area. At least this sludge you will buy it between 800 and 1000 naira per liter. Yeah, the soap is done. I want to pour it into the mold. Please, if you have watched to this extent, like, share, and if you have any question, you can comment on the section. Also, don't forget to subscribe. This will give me more motivation to do more videos for you. These are practical videos. They are not videos that people will just do and buy 1 liter, 2 liters of raw materials and take your time and data for you to watch them, and they are not really in the market. They are not producing and having competitors to really shaping their production process. It's something that you want to hear on the internet and you will go, you may even probably go and register and trade with them. At the end of the day, there is no profit. So we are keeping it real here. In Money Way TV, we are keeping it real. So I'll be pouring it into my mold as you can see. This system is very, very simple. I added color. I'm having like greenish color here. Though sludge on its own will give you a dark colored soap, but you can bleach it, you can add kaolin, you can add some other things to make it lighter so that whenever you add your color it will come up. But have it in mind, if you are using sludge you cannot get white soap. If you are doing white soap, sludge, because sludge naturally will give you a dark brownish color, but you can use it to do brown soap. You can brighten up the sludge to give you a more brilliant brown. All these things will be explained if you are a student. If you are lucky to buy a high quality sludge, you will enjoy the production, you will enjoy the profit. I will still be doing more videos out. I'll be rolling more videos out to show you how to bleach sludge oil, because it has become a necessity. A lot of people are asking me about this sludge, so it will make me to go down and produce a video that will showcase how you can bleach it, so that at least the final soap appearance, aesthetic value will be welcoming. Make sure you subscribe. If you don't subscribe, don't ask me questions. Don't come into my DM to ask me questions if you are not subscribing and liked my video. So after a day, 24 hours, we have our soap solid hardened. I did this video long time ago, so like a year plus now, but I didn't upload it up till today. So my camera is not all that bright, but I just want to push out this video for you there to see that it is still possible. And the camera is somehow blurred. This is green color. I've done some other laundry soap by the corner, as you can be seeing over there. Those ones are brown color. So sludge oil will not give you white color. That's just what I'm trying to let you understand. So if you are the type that does colored soap, you can go with it. You can see the brown soap here. Sludge oil for producing